Hey, what's up guys? Just wanted to show you all a tutorial on how to turn your videos into TikTok videos or shorts for free using Eclipse.gg. It's an AI tool that'll make highlights for you, and you can turn those highlights over to YouTube, or you can turn them into shorts and TikTok and get way more exposure. So let me take off my camera here. So what do, just go to the website. They have an app on your phone. It doesn't work as well as, on Windows, of course. But you just sign up for free over here. I'm just going to head and sign in just to give you a quick overview on everything. Connect your accounts. If you go into account settings here, I have my YouTube and my Twitch connected. You can have it for auto processing. The free version, you can only do one stream highlight a day, so I'll leave auto processing off. But if you go to your streams, once you submit it, like I would have to hit get clip here, it would auto generate highlights for you using AI. So let's just go to one that I already have. Let's just Modern Warfare 3 on Black Friday. This is a stream. Okay. So let's just say I wanted to make this a TikTok. I can already just download this here and put this on YouTube. But let's say if I want to make a TikTok, you just click on that there. It's already made a highlight for me from my Twitch live stream. It also works for YouTube and in the future Kick. And here's the templates. I'm not going to go all into it, but you can use a circle face cam. The split screen here. This is Call of Duty, so let's see what they got. It'll add this cool little stuff on the side. I can add the mini map. Let's try this one here. Okay, so there's my camera. I'm just gonna hit next. It wants to, this is gonna be the screen here. Put that how you want it. And make sure this is for the mini map, I guess, if you wanna have the mini map on there. And it will actually, if you want to put the kill feed in there or the score, you just hover that on whatever you want, name it. I'm just going to leave it how it is. I'm going to make it 1080p, and then I'm going to add my Twitch channel so I can get more, or try to get more Twitch followers. And once you connect your Twitch, you just click that button there. And people love captions, so I'm going to add some captions. I'm going to do auto caption here. I'm English, of course. But look, you have automatic captions. Say you don't like that. You can click on that. Each different word. Make it how you want it. Say you don't like that. I like bangers. So you want yellow with a different highlight color. You can add a background color, all kind of stuff there. This is just for the tutorial. I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm not doing all those options. I think it looks good to me. I'm just gonna go ahead and send that. It will take a bit to make that clip. In the meantime, do whatever. I'm just going to show you, just for reference, well, I've made one before.
Kill.
I didn't have the subtitles on that one, but I did choose that just so you can see how easy it is. I like to download it and then post it, or you could also press these buttons as well to post it. But if this has helped you out, please like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next tutorial.